If you have a script and you want to convert it to a video but do not know anything about video editing, then this video is very helpful for you. I am going to show you how you can convert your script into a video with advanced AI tools. Before starting, look at this channel. Do you see the type of content here? The earning of this channel is great. Here is another channel with similar content. Look how much they are earning. You can see multiple channels on YouTube uploading this type of content and hence making huge amount of money. I'm going to show you how you can create this type of video and earn a lot of money. We are going to use the Pictory website. The link is in the description. Go there and create your account. So this is the home page. As you already have a script, so we have to convert the script to video. Click on Proceed. Give your video a title. You can change it later if you want. Paste your script here. This is my script about artificial intelligence. You can also change scene settings from here, but I recommend you keep the original settings. Then click on Proceed. Now you have to choose a template. Pictory has a lot of templates for videos. You can also add your own template. For now, I am using this one. Now you have to choose the video ratio. 9:16 is for short videos and 16:9 for long videos. I am choosing this one. It will take a few seconds. If your script is too long, it can take several minutes. Here it is. Our video is ready. As you can see, our text has been divided into 5 scenes with different videos related to our text. You can also change the video. Select the scene for which you wish to change the video and then go to Visuals. There are a lot of related images related to our text. Choose anyone that you like. Click it and it will be added to our video. You can also add different textures or a solid background color. If you don't like anything from here, no problem. Go to my uploads and you can upload your own video. Pictory has given a lot of elements that can be added to our video with only one click. Text can also be edited. Hence, you can use all these to make a great video. Select the resolution of your video from here. You can also add audio to your video. As you know, background music in videos holds immense significance as it sets the tone, enhances the mood, and elevates the overall viewing experience. Pictory has a lot of background music that you can use to enhance the overall viewing experience. Here's a good thing. You can also add voices to your video. As you know, voiceover plays a vital role in videos, as it adds depth, clarity, and a personal touch to the visual content. Here are different types of voices, both male and female, that you can apply to your video. Just choose anyone and then click on Apply. Here is a good thing. You can also change voice speed so it exactly matches your video. Moreover, you can upload your own voice or background music. To download your video, click on this download button and then click Video. It would take a few seconds and your video will be downloaded. Now you can easily create any type of video for YouTube and hence make a lot of money. Let's talk about another situation. What if you don't have any script? No problem. You can use ChatGPT to easily create a script on any topic. In case you don't know, ChatGPT is an advanced language model created by OpenAI for interactive conversations. It uses deep learning to generate human-like responses, providing information and engaging in natural language interactions with users. Its link is in the description. Let me ask ChatGPT about 5 topics for the YouTube video on artificial intelligence. Here are the 5 different topics. Select any one of these that you like. Ask ChatGPT to write a short intro for a YouTube video on the topic you have selected. Here it is. You can also read it. It is perfect. Again, ask ChatGPT to continue this intro to YouTube main script in 500 words. Here it is. By using this AI model, you can easily create a unique script in minutes. Let's talk about another situation. What if you don't want to use Pictory voices? No problem. You can use Murf AI. Murf AI Studio helps you convert text into natural-sounding voiceovers in minutes. Its link is in the description. Go there and create your account. This is the home page. You can upload a text file directly or you can paste text here. They are asking how you want to split the text. I recommend you split the text into sentences. Then click Paste Script. To edit voice, click on this avatar. Here you have different types of voices, from natural-sounding human voices to robotics and even cartoon voices. Here you have to choose your favorite voice or even language. Whether you want a man or a woman or even a serious or professional tone or a playful or fun tone. For example, now I choose this one. And here is the best part. You can even adjust the pitch and speed of the voiceover to ensure that it perfectly matches the mood and speed of your video. You can click on this button to generate each voice, or you can click this button to generate all at once. After the voice is generated, you can click on this button to preview it. Once you are satisfied, click on this export button. Select the file format and quality, and click on download button to download it. That's all. It is so easy and exciting to work with Murf AI. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more amazing videos. This is the video generated using Pictory.
Computer science focused on creating intelligent machines capable of performing human-like tasks. Through advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI systems analyze data, learn from patterns, and make decisions or predictions. AI is transforming various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. However, ethical considerations, such as privacy and bias, must be addressed for responsible AI deployment. The potential of AI to revolutionize society makes it a powerful force for the future.
Thank you for watching.